VT4 main battle tank, which was previously known as MBT 3000. This is being marketed by Norinco on the export market, and we understand they already have one customer for it, and that is Thailand. If you compare it with some Western tanks, it's a much more compact design. The reason for that, it's got a crew of 3, commander, gunner and driver, where Western tanks also have a loader. This has got a 125mm gun, which is fed by an automatic loader located under the turret. That first loads the projectile and then the charge system. It also has a computerized fire control system, and if you look at the turret, you can see 2 sighting systems. The one on the right is for the gunner, and the one on this side is for the commander. And that's what we call an independent sight. So that is day channels, thermal channel, and the laser rangefinder, and the object would be for the commander first to detect the target, and if it's confirmed a hostile, transfer that over the gunner, and he will carry out the actual engagement. Also, if we look on the roof, you can see a sensor at the back, a MET sensor, which feeds the temperature into the fire control system, and also there's a roof-mounted remote-controlled machine gun, and that provides you with a self-defense capability close in. It's got a welded steel turret and a welded hull, and on that turret you can see the add-on composite armour, which gives a higher level of protection. It has got a very low profile, and you can see slat armour on the side, and it's also got cameras for situational awareness so the crew can see what's going on around them. It's got a combat weight of about 52 tonnes, which is somewhat less than tanks such as the Leopard and the Challenger, which is well over 60 tonnes. So that really means it's more deployable. It can cross bridges which cannot be crossed by some heavier vehicles. So this is the latest main battle tank to be operated by China. And if we move over here, we can see some of the ammunition. Here is the armour-piercing, fin-stabilised, discarding sabot round. The next one is the high-explosive anti-tank round. We'll jump to the end one. That's the high explosive one, and this is the interesting one. This is called the GP125, and that is a guided projectile which enables the VT4 to engage threat targets out to a range of 5 kilometers. And all the driver has to do is to keep his sight locked on the target until target impact. Over here is the other one, the 105 one, and this is used in upgraded Chinese tanks as well as some of their tank destroyers. It's got the same principle. All the gunner has to do is to keep his sight on the target. The latest versions have a tandem high explosive anti-tank warhead, and that defeats threat targets fitted with explosive reactive armour.